Florida, including Jacksonville, leads the country with the number of hospitalized COVID-19 patients. That is according to data compiled by the New York Times. Now, local hospitals are no longer releasing how many people are dying of the disease, but we've been told that number is expected to climb dramatically in the next few weeks. News4 Jax reporter Jim Piggott is joining us on the west side from one of the new testing sites. He spoke with a doctor about an increase in COVID cases among local children. Jim.
You know, Tom, this was the first day that the Lane Wiley site had been open here on the west side. It just closed at 6 o'clock today. I've been watching people, young and old, have been coming here. Now, they're hoping to find out the same thing, if they're positive for COVID-19. Now, the doctors I talked to today say about 20% of the people that were tested here will probably be positive. But I learned something else as well. There's an alarming number of children that are going to test positive as well at a much higher rate.
At UF Health Jacksonville, hundreds of people are being treated for COVID-19 each day. Many are very, very sick, among them children. And that has Dr. Patel very worried.
We've talked about in the past, kids are more resilient and can avoid contracting COVID. Well, we're not seeing that being the case anymore. 30% of kids being tested at UF Health are coming back positive for COVID.
Dr. Patel has also seen much sicker patients now than in the past.
Citywide, what we're seeing is of the patients that are ending up in the intensive care unit, a much higher percentage of them are ending up on ventilators than we saw with the last two surges.
Dr. Patel says he's not surprised by a recent study published in the New York Times, which indicates that 1 out of every 813 people in Jacksonville are in the hospital with COVID. Doctors say we are now seeing more breakthrough cases, those that have been vaccinated and coming down with the virus, though not many of those cases are ending up in the hospital. Today, I caught up with this couple, Gail and Bob, at the Lane Wiley Senior Center testing site. They have both been vaccinated and both came down with the virus.
I was shocked.
Disappointed.
Disappointed?
Yeah, absolutely.
Obviously, are you okay now? Are you still...
Well, we're going to be tested now to make sure we're clear, but I mean, I don't have any symptoms. So.
We have some extenuating conditions that she has, and that's one of the reasons why we're going in there now to get tested. And then we're going to try and get that shot, whatever that other one is that they're
the booster shot. You want to get the booster.
Right.
So do you think, had you not been vaccinated, do you think you would have been a lot sicker?
Oh,
I'd have been dead. I'll guarantee you.
You think what?
I'd have been dead.
You really think so?
Yes.
Oh. And that's why they say the vaccine and now the upcoming booster shot are important.
Here at the Lane Wiley Center, they're going to open up again tomorrow at 9 o'clock in the morning. 2 other new sites are opening tomorrow at the Emmett Reed Community Center, that's near Durkeeville, and also at Cuba Hunter, the community center on the south side. And we have all that information, of course, for you at news4jax.com. Right now, we're live on the west side. Jim Piggott, Channel 4, the local station.